Scott Grove here, and I'm with System 3, and they've got a really interesting new product. If you doing woodworking or repair, and you got to keep moving, they got a new Quick Cure Wood Putty. So can you tell us about this?
Hey, sure thing, Scott. My name is Jeff. I'm with System 3. Brand new product called Quick Cure Wood Putty. It is a epoxy putty, mixes 1-to-1. Comes in 6 colors. Just mix it until the white streaks disappear. Yep, after mixing for 5 or 10 minutes, you'll notice the putty's starting to get warm. That's because it cures quickly. Non-shrinking epoxy putty, sanded in an hour. Comes in 6 wood tones: taupe, red oak, mahogany, cherry, black walnut, and ebony.
Awesome, and you can see it in an hour. That's great. Well, they're going to be at AWFS in Vegas, so check them out. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Scott.
Bye-bye.